Hey, welcome to 1 Minute Excel. Today let's look at a left, right, and mid formula. These are used when we want to pull certain data out of a cell without having to pull everything in one go. They're pretty easy to understand. The left formula would be left, select the text or the cell you want data from, and tell it how many characters over from left to right. Same with the right formula, except we're going to go right to left. And then the mid formula, you select the cell, you tell it how many characters to start. So going from left to right, where do you want it to start from? And then how many characters would you like it to go over from left to right. If we use the examples below, finding area code on the phone number here, we'd say equals left, because it's on the left side of the cell. Select the cell we want to edit. I'm going to hit F4 3 times just to lock the column. And we're going to say, in this case, we want to go 5 over because we're including the parentheses. You can see the area code there. Moving on to social, the last 4 of the social. In this case, we're going to do right, open parentheses, select the cell, hit F4 3 times. And we're going to do 4 because we're going to go right and go 4. And then for the last one, the cost center, we're going to pretend that the cost center is these 4 in the middle here between the dashes. So in this case, you're going to say equals mid. On this cell, we're going to hit F4 3 times, comma. And if you count the characters over, it actually starts in the 8th character. And it's going to go 4 over, left to right. And if we copy this down, check the data, you can see we've got the area code, the last 4 of the social, and the cost center that's right in the middle there. And that is a left, right, and mid formula.